Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Per varios casus per tot discrimina rerum tendimus in Latium, sedes ubi fata quietas ostendunt, illic fas regna resurgere Troiae, doratet vosmet rebus servate secundis. Through various downfalls, through so many difficulties of things, we strive into Latium, where the fates show quiet seats, and there's an implied nobis to us, where the fates show quiet seats, quiet abodes to us. There, it is right that the kingdoms of Troy rise again. Endure and save yourselves for better things, for preferable things. So Aeneas is really, the entire message just boils down to dorate, endure. He's saying, I know things are hard now, you've been through so many downfalls, so many difficulties of affairs, so many dangers of affairs, and yet we strive into Latium, and that's where the fates, ostendunt, show quiet seats. They show restful seats. So there's going to be rest in Latium, is what Aeneas is saying. There, now here, fas est. There's an implied est here to make an indirect statement. Here it is right that the kingdoms of Troy rise again. Accusative subject, regna, the kingdoms, and infinitive main verb, resurgere. It is right that the kingdoms of Troy rise again. Durate, endure. What verb form do we have here? Of course we have an imperative, durate, plural imperative. Endure, and servate, another plural imperative. And persevere, or not persevere, preserve yourselves for preferable affairs. Remember, secundus, secunda, secundum it looks like second, and oftentimes it does mean second, but there's a secondary meaning which is preferable, better. So save yourself for better things.